Hello everyone and welcome to this new and final episode of the series How I Restore You, the first series that we started with a Suzuki GSX-R 600 Sarad from '99, and that from today, here from Giulio and Luca of LDS Custom and Giulio Design, is complete. It sees a new and magnificent life come back to life that we will then see in the next videos here on the channel. Since the bike will stay with me until I go to sell it, let's not get lost in further chatter. Let's send the jingle and I'll start a small summary of what our work phases were before introducing you to her done and dusted. And gentlemen, finally here she is. I managed to introduce you, along with the entire team that led to the realization of this project, this big guy to a new life. So guys, thank you so much to all of you, Giulio and Luca. In my opinion, you've done a hell of a job, really mind-blowing. I have to be honest. And really thanks also to Luca who accompanied me on this adventure. I thank you for watching this video. Surely, after the Christmas holidays and the various parties that will also be in January, we will see each other on the Suzukone. The track awaits us, many adventures await us on it. Before, of course, maybe it finds a new owner. Because having 3 motorcycles is starting to become, besides expensive, a bit too difficult to manage. See you next time. Bye.